I'm going to share with you just 2 minutes up style. When you need to use this one, okay? For example, in the morning, you have this hairstyle for whole day. In the afternoon, you need, I have to go to the party. I have to go somewhere, but I don't want this look again. What should you do? All right, you ready? I'm going to show you. All right. Turn your hair around, then divide the hair in 3 sections. Basically, on the side and back. Joy, would you mind to turn around? Turn around so you can see that part and that part. Turn your part. All right. So with the back, I just add a little bit dry shampoo to achieve a little bit texture on the top. Alright, I'm going to use the hair tight. I will show you this one. I just tie the hair, not too tight, not too low. So you see my hand move the hair up a little bit. Pull the hair to get more a little bit texture. Turn around, turn around. All right, that's step 1. Now, step 2. When I do like that, then I move this hair tie. I put that. Just basically when I pull the hair, just keep like that. And I make sure I tie one more time. So the end and that one. So what you need to do, I pull this over, wrap this around. Let me do that again, you look. Like that. I just wrap this over the hair tie, put it under, wrap around. Now, I use the hair U pin. I just put it inside. I like a little bit messy look. I don't want to tie. Right, on the side. Twist your hair like that, twist around and then turn, wrap your hair around, pull the hair a little bit, then U-pin again, right, this is how is the look on the side. I like to keep a little bit natural on her face brown, just pull a little bit like that. All right, this side. This side is exactly the same. 2 sections, wrap around, add a little bit more, wrap around again, add more, and wrap around, add more, wrap around. Then pull this part out a little bit. My favorite for up style is U-pin and the long one like that. I just put it in and I put down like that and it stay. Okay. Alright, now I just use the texture spray, put the hair where you want. And then if you feel somewhere the hair is not skewed, so you just put another bobby pin inside. Alright, that is how the hairs look like. This hair is for you ready to go in another party. Alright, done. If you want to learn how to curl your hair just less than 5 minutes, join me at my 7-day challenge at hairbygiang.com.